What's up, guys? This is Vinny, and I got
You might be able to look at won't let me.
Be quiet, Grandma.
Oh, sorry.
Shh. I'm making a video.
Okay.
So, I'm sorry about the interruption. So I got a new Mario Knex. It's a Mario Kart, actually. Beach building set. I'll just take the crab off to the side because he's not working. So I'll just do him like that because the crab doesn't want to work. So, as you can see, I got Donkey Kong. Just so you know, to put the characters in, you take their legs off. I got their legs right here. I have a second Mario for the next video. And here's Mario. Mom, go. And for the power-ups, I have a power block. And it says it on the back, just not on the sides.
Spearheads? Yeah.
I have Blooper. That's it. Oh, I have. And you see, I have this crab, the bucking ducks.
But that would be a hell of a guy.
Oh, I just want to put them all the way back.
So you are deeming this a deal? No, well,
So,
I'm calling out what I see.
I'm going to test it out.
It's all very intriguing.
This sign, I put the other way. I didn't listen to instructions because it looked better that way.
You meet the man who
So,
let's
get started. Thanks for watching. I'll be doing music.
We'll show you this extraordinary new footage in a few moments.
Oh, Mario! Ow. Oh, he runs like a winner! Ooh.
You don't know what the road is facing.
Oh, crap, how do I shut this thing off? Oh, there we go. So, Mario goes like too fast. I barely can catch him. Let's try on DK.
He kind of needs Mario.
Ow. Okay, Donkey Kong, not that good at the jump. So, he did good, but a duck got him. He has his hands up.
What the dog?
Donkey Kong has his hands up. For some reason.
Come on, let's go, no hands.
Get back down. And now I'll show you the characters out of the car. I have to attach the legs back. Donkey Kong.
Oh, I love that little outfit. Really, that's cute. With the ruffly skirt and the Dalmatian.
Oh,
Thanks, Mom.
And the summer back is really nice.
Mario himself.
And I like your other look with the boots and everything. Nice.
Those are all. Oh, you have a loading.
Bye guys, subscribe. I told you to turn off the music.
Yeah. My yesterday and my
Sorry, I was talking to Mario. Bye guys, subscribe.